Evening, fellas. We got this 1 gigabyte made in Korea LG USB drive. The problem with this thing is, if I can get this cable here, so I'm gonna plug it in and I'm gonna power it on, and you see there's no light. Oh, right there, you see that? Now the light is here, but it keeps disappearing. So that's what we need to figure out. What was that? Random cable. There's only 2 screws here. Let's get our boy Jimmy here. That didn't sound like a good crack, but either way, this one is worth nothing. It's good for live boot drives for Linux and recovery. Do I need to pull this off? Oh yeah. Let's go under the microscope. My usual go-to is doing this. Here's a different drive that I've repaired. All I did is just use the heat shrink wrap. Works better than an ugly pink case. Feel free to disagree. Let's see what is actually broken here. I can't really see anything like moving. Ooh, is it the pads? What if we get something to connect it into? So then we have a little bit more leverage. And now let's wiggle it. Yeah, right there, you see that? So, what is that, the ground pin? Yep, you can see exactly where it broke. Alright, let's pull out the soldering iron. And I'll get the fume extractor running, because I'm a scaredy cat just like that. Super tiny amount of flux and a little tappy tap. Good, I didn't get a solder on anything else. Let's see, was this enough? Is this hot? Nope. Let's plug it back into the thingy thing. Seems like that's all it took. Fastest repair in the West or something. Let's get the same connecting thing. Boom, red light, shaking it. Easy fix. Wait, it's flashing because it's reading. Let's see on the computer, what do we have there? So if we go on the USB drive, there it is! Subscribe file, nothing else. I might just put some shrink wrap on it instead of this pin case, but I got a lot of these colorful heat shrinks, and I guess this black one will just do the job. Just cut it, put some heat on that thing, and that's it. There we go, after one pass. This is still extremely hot. I'm just gonna cut it off and then probably do another part, like another wrap, so that these components would be less likely to be damaged, and it'll have a little bit more protection. Perfection. You're thinking, hey, but you forgot the LED. No, I didn't. There's a hole now. Boom, look at that. Can you see it? Beautiful, no? Red on red. That's the smartest decision that I could have made. That's all I have for this one. Thank you for watching.